Hello, my friend. Welcome back to English Vish. I am really happy to see you here today, because this video is special. It talks about something very powerful. Today, you will learn why some people keep learning English for a long time, and why some people stop after a few weeks. You will learn a secret that helps you move forward, even when learning feels hard. Many people think success is about talent, or intelligence, or luck. But listen carefully. It is not about these things. The real secret is inside you. It is called grit. Let's talk about its seedling. This idea comes from a famous book. The book is called Grit. It is written by Angela Duckworth. She studied many people. Students, athletes, soldiers, people from different lives. And she found something beautiful. Success is not about being the smartest. It is not about luck. It is not about talent. Success belongs to people who do not give up. That power is called grit. Grit means staying with your goal, even when it takes time. Maybe you ask yourself, why do I lose motivation? Why does my friend continue, but I stop? Angela asked the same question, and she found the answer. People who succeed are not always fast. They are consistent. That is grit. Grit has two parts. First is passion. It means you feel connected. You like learning, even on hard days. Second is perseverance. It means you keep going, even when it is not easy. When love and effort come together, you become very strong. Now let me show you a simple example. Imagine two English learners. One learner studies fast, but only once a week. The other learner studies slowly, but every day. Only 10 minutes. After 6 months. Who speaks better? The one who shows up daily. Because grit is not about speed. It is about showing up. Consistency wins every time. So if you are learning English, even when progress feels slow, please listen to this. You are doing great. You already have great yellow heart. Every time you listen, every time you repeat, every time you speak, you are training your heart, not only your mouth. Now let us do a small practice together. This will help your English feel natural. Please repeat softly, slowly, with feeling. Shadowing practice. I am learning English every day. I do not give up when it is hard. I keep showing up again and again. I am building confidence. I believe in progress, not perfection. I make mistakes and I learn. I am patient with myself. I am proud of small steps. My effort matters. I have grit and I keep going. Very good, cherry blossom. You are not only practicing words. You are building a strong mindset. Now let us go a little deeper. Grit is not only effort. It is also purpose. Ask yourself gently, why am I learning English? Maybe for a job. Maybe for travel. Maybe to speak freely. Your reason is your power. When you feel tired, your purpose reminds you why you started. Passion is what you love. Purpose is what gives meaning. Take a small pause. Feel that. Now let us talk about practice. Grit does not mean working all day. It means practicing with focus. When you read, notice new words. When you listen, pause and repeat. When you watch videos, copy the sound. This is how growth happens. Not in big jumps, but in small steps. Every small effort helps you grow. Like water to a plant seedling. Many people start with excitement. Then they stop quickly. Grit means staying for the long road. Some days are hard. Some days are easy. If you feel tired, rest. But do not stop. Angela met many people who failed many times. But they did not quit. One soldier failed his exam again and again. He studied. He tried again. And one day, he passed. That is grit. It is not winning fast. It is refusing to quit. And here is good news. Grit can grow. You build it slowly. Like a muscle. Here is how. Find what you love. Practice a little every day. Remember your reason. If you fall, stand again. Each small action makes you stronger. The last part of grit is hope. Hope means believing that tomorrow can be better. Even when today feels hard. When something feels difficult, do not say, I can't. Say, I can't yet. That one word changes everything. Now take a slow breath. Let us bring it together. Grit means love and effort. It means not giving up. You do not need to be perfect. You only need to continue. This is true for English. This is true for life. You already have grit inside you. Thank you for staying with me till the end. I am really proud of you, Whiteheart. Before you go, take one small moment. Ask yourself, why did I start learning English? That answer is your fuel. Backhand index pointing right if this video helped you. Please like it. Write your thought in the comments. And subscribe to Englishfish for daily English speaking practice. We learn together here. You are not alone, Blossom. Small daily practice is enough. Learning takes time. And you are doing very well.